Hey guys, um, today I'm going to be playing Subway Surfers, and I haven't played Subway Surfers in a pretty long time for not now, and yeah, so I haven't played it in a year or so, but yeah, in today's episode I'm gonna be playing Subway Surfers once again, and yeah. Sonya's gonna be collecting coins and stuff. I've always been wondering where is Subway Surfers just infinity or stuff? Is Subway Surfers just infinity? Like, does it just keep going or something? Like, where do you actually go? Is the game just run until you lose or something? Because I've never seen the end. Yeah, look like this. Yes. Alright, okay. Let's go over here. Right. That, let's go over here. I almost just lost right there. Again. Okay, I'm doing pretty good so far. I'm not doing that bad. Whoa. Let's jump over here. Boom. Let's jump over here. Oh. I thought I was gonna fall right there. Oh no! That jump is so hard. I was trying to collect coins, but I fell at the same time. So I just lost right there. Okay, I forgot what I was talking about right now. Anyways, I'm just gonna keep playing until, I'm just gonna keep playing for a little more, and then I'm gonna start playing another game. Yeah, I really hope I don't lose this one because I put a lot of confidence in this one. And I lost. What? I had so much confidence. Why? A commercial. That commercial took so long. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you guys later. Bye.